Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. It's Thursday, October 4th, and I put some money to work today, man. I put some money to work. I dropped the 3 G's in the account. 3 G's. It's painful. I can't spend that money. I could have spent it. Could have bought myself something nice. I could have gone vacationing. I could have bought a new car. I drive a piece of crap. Oh man, it hurts, but I gotta put it to work. I have to put it to work, man. Could have bought some new clothes. Could have had some nice dinners. Gotta put it to work. What did I do with it? Well, let me tell you. Let me tell you what I did. One, I sold another Ford put. As you can see, there's two of them already here. So this was for $8.5. That means that if by November 2nd the price of Ford stock goes below $8.5, I will be obligated. I'm required. I have to purchase 100 stocks of Ford at the price of $8.50 per stock. I also have another one expiring here on October 19th for $9. It's getting close though. Ford is at like almost $9. Let's check it out. It is $9.17, so it's getting close. And the way it's going is not very good. Here's another thing I did. JD, I sold a $22 put for JD. I didn't get that much money. I'm already down, as you can see, $12 on the trade. We'll say so 22 JD right now is at 24.30. It's been dropping like a rock. China been dropping like a rock, especially this company, man. Especially this company. You see this? So it's retesting some major lows here. I'm hoping it doesn't retest this one, but we'll see. It might. It's got to find a floor somewhere right here. This maneuver that I'm doing right now, it's called trying to catch a knife, guys, because this is basically a knife right here. Right? Straight line going down. So this is a technical jargon, investment jargon. It's called catching a knife, trying to catch a knife. Okay, so well, it usually means like you try to buy on the downturn, but you know what I mean. Same thing. Selling or put, and buying. It's almost the same. You're still taking the same type of risk, more or less. All right. Um, the other thing I did was RSX. I got this thing right here. RSX. This is the Russian index, Russian economy. I went to Russia last year. No, the year before that. I like what I saw. They have roads. They're in good shape. They have an economy. They have stores. They have industrial capability. They have military. They have vehicles. They have AK-47s in the street on the necks of their cops. They got, radar enforcing speeds on the streets. They have good, nice cars. They're expensive, but they can afford them. It's cheap as dirt to live out in the country. It's crazy, but doing in the cities is actually very expensive, like Moscow and whatnot. So, they have Uber, they have technology, like they have bars. It's the same thing as here, man. Their supermarkets are just as big. Like, I can't even see a difference between the lifestyle, honestly. Not a major difference, I'm lying, but not a major difference between a US citizen and a Russian citizen. There shouldn't be this huge of a difference when it comes to like property values and currency and whatnot. So anyways, I saw the put, as you can see right here, for November 2nd for $24. So if it reaches 20 bucks, I will be obligated to buy it. I have to buy it if it reaches 20 bucks. As you can see, I'm already down $5 a trade, but that's gonna reverse at some point. It's almost at 21 right now, 20.93, $20.93. If it drops to 20, I will buy it. I'm not against having it. If it doesn't pull through, I just collect my $24 premium and I get my $2,000 back. So we got Ford, we got um, JD, and we have RSX. So that's what I did with the money. I also sold, I made some sales. I made a lot of big moves today. I sold OGS, which is a gas company, and one of the reasons I did is because I wanted to reduce my exposure to the overall US market. The reason I'm doing that is because rates hit 3.2 today, 3.2%, the 10-year rate. So, generally when there's higher rates, as you know, puts a lot of pressure on not just the emerging market, but on US market as well. And so I'm thinking we're going to enter this dance like we did back in January, where the rates of the bonds go up and it crushes the market a little bit. And then because the market's getting crushed, the bond catches a bid. But when the bonds catch a bid, the yields travel inversely to the bonds. Therefore, they drop. And so that causes money to flow out of bonds and back into the market. And it's this like freaking bounceroo, slushing money back and forth looking for a home. And none of it seeps through the cracks and lands onto gold, man. None of it. It's insane. But that's reality. We got a deal. So JD contract $40. Hopefully I collect that. RSX contract $24. Hopefully I collect that. Ford contract $10. Hopefully I collect that. And I bought me some 3 shares of my emerging market fund just because I had some money left over, and I don't like sitting on even just a little bit of cash. I want everything to be working. Everything to be working. I have $10.78 of cash that I can put to work right now. I'm all in. I'm all invested, like all the time. So if I get cash, I just re-roll it in something else. If you think the market's going down, freaking buy market shorts. Buy some puts. I don't know, but do something. Just I don't ever like to have my cash sitting, not doing anything. Cameco had a really good day. You can see uranium overall had an alright day. Cameco though continues to be a beast, man. These guys, I'm telling you, they're geniuses. But again, this is not a stock investment advice. Don't listen to me. Do your own due diligence and research. But man, these guys are geniuses. They're so good. All right, so this nice little pop here. So they were up like 5% on the day nearly, and which is crushing a lot of these puts, which is a good thing. I do have a $13 call though, which has been gaining. So I don't necessarily want it to go over $13 by November 2nd. So that's where I'm positioning on Cameco. But I'm real happy with the way Cameco is moving. Another company that went up is CIG. CIG is that Brazilian utility company. If you guys remember, it's over $2 now. I have 4 contracts sold at $2.50. So if it reaches $2.50, it's gonna have to trigger them and sell them. I don't mind that happening because I'm gonna get quite a bit of gain. Right now, I'm up only $55 here on this company, 5.69%. I don't mind if it happens, and I end up having to sell the company, but it would be optimal if it ends up around $250, so then I can buy some puts. I can sell some puts again and sell some calls, maybe not puts, just calls. Sell some calls a little bit higher and keep collecting money off of this company. That'd be great. On top of that, it has a pretty attractive dividend. I haven't gotten any dividends from it yet, but maybe at the end of the year I'll receive some. It's 6.84%, it says here for right now. It has a crazy PE, is a 8.82. I guess it's not that crazy, especially for Brazil. But this market cap looking awfully small for a big utility company. Anyway, so you know that's about it. With today's update, we covered quite a few things. There's a very eventful day in my portfolio. I have that Western Precious Metals put that's lost 5% today, which is good. So all these options, look, they're all crushing money right now. They're just crushing a little bit of dollars every day as time passes. So hopefully it pushes my portfolio up. As you can see, I went from 530-ish to 450, 465. Um, so that's like 70, dollars or so down on the day for the Robinhood portfolio. And so I'm still up about 1,300 from when I started, 46, 7 episodes ago. So a month and a half ago. So that's a pretty good gain. We'll see. Hopefully this continues and I keep performing. Got to get to that million, man. This account, definitely 30K to a million is going to happen. Zero doubt in my mind. Zero. I just don't know how long it'll take. Wish I was a prophet. If you're a prophet, hit me up. We'll get you on the program here. We'll do an interview. If you're a prophet, if you know stuff, if you got a crystal ball, like let me know. We're going to discuss. All right. Don't be shy. Leave a comment. Let me know. Let's do an interview. All right. With that said, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.